wait, I have to do it this way. The axolotl is a very fascinating animal because of its unique appearance and that it has the ability to regenerate limbs. The scientific name for the axolotl is Embystoma mexicanum. Axolotls are a type of unique amphibian and they are closely related to the tiger salamander. The article Meet the Peter Pan of Salamanders, the Axolotl, from worldwildlife.org mentions that axolotls are named after Xolotl, who was the Aztec god of fire and lightning, and he had the ability to turn into a salamander. And he was also associated with dogs, and the word atl is the Aztec word for water, so axolotl is sometimes translated to water dog. And they come in many colors and sizes, so they can range from 18 inches long, but the ones today will typically be 9 inches long. And the axolotls that you'll find in the wild are black in color, but they can also be like a light pink to white or a goldish orange. And I actually have a picture of an example of them right here. Here's the one that you'll find in the wild. And then these ones will typically be like human pets because the colors are more appealing to the eye. And I mentioned that axolotls can regenerate their limbs, but that's not all they can regenerate. They can also regenerate lungs, the heart, the spine, their jaws, and even parts of the brain, which is pretty crazy. And scientists are highly interested in the study of axolotls because they found that they can regenerate a new limb up to 5 times perfectly in just a few weeks with no scarring. And they also found that axolotls are 1,000 times more resistant to cancer than mammals, which is another superpower that scientists find worthy of investigating. The article Axolotl from animals.sandiegozoo.org claims that axolotls occur in only 2 stillwater lakes that are located in Mexico. The first lake is Lake Xolochimico and Lake Chalco, and I have a map with me of that general area. Let me see. So here is that first lake right there, and then the second lake is just right next to it. So there's that. Oh, and conservationists are trying to preserve the habitat right now because they're actually highly endangered species due to many factors, including one of them is that they're prey to bigger fish and bigger birds, and that's only like a minor factor to their declining population. The more major ones include pollution, habitat degradation, water diversion from the ever-growing human population. And so to preserve the habitat, they are stacking up rocks and reedy plants to help filter out the clean water. The article Axolotls from axolotl.org explains that axolotls are neoteny, and that is totally genetic now. And neoteny is a condition where it contains all the features of a larval stage of the amphibian, yet it is still sexually mature, which this means that it reaches adulthood without undergoing the process of metamorphosis. So throughout its 10 to 15 years of life, it maintains a baby face and a younger look to it. So to conclude, I think that today we've all learned that axolotls are enchanting animals due to a variety of reasons, which include its grotesque appearance, its ability to regenerate, and that it exhibits the phenomenon of neoteny.
Huzzah!